in the backcountry already.
Damn, I'm not that tall. So we are now just beginning our Donner Summit adventure. There's lost in there.
We might get lost. There's no guarantees.
I'm eating you. I'm eating you first.
This is where the Donner Summit did cannibalize each other, so there's always a possibility. The Lake Tahoe expedition to the snow. And it's even about 80 degrees. LTP students, of course, always excited for these types of adventures. Right, Drew? Can you tell us how excited you are? That means like double thumbs up. Amazing. Akash, always the trooper. He's like, hey, how much further can we go? Let's never go back.
I hope you slip and slide down that entire thing.
Faster! Woo! Oh! Nice.
This is such a gnarly hike.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I wouldn't say
Got a little bit of a water break here. This is where the famous Donner Summit rock climbing spots are. You can kind of see someone in the cracks. Up there. Another person right over there.
I think it's actually a dude just with a Tony sit out.
There's a good chance.
No, it definitely is.
But these people will just park on the road up there and camp all summer. All summer, climb every day. Not too bad of a life. Here, this is all covered in snow.
And now our fearless leader, Akash, is taking us to the summit. What do you have to say about for yourself, Akash?
I'm so freaking stoked.
The epic mountaineering adventure commences.
Jeff, who's watching?
Got Akash racing me down the hill. A little bit on the trails too, but it's not realizing the soccer player races the endurance athlete. You may have me in the first quarter mile, but then it's my game. I've always thought running down Donner Summit would be pure hell. And I was correct. It is. And this is why the road's closed. Well, they have to walk past this at least. Stop it! Woo! That's how we endurance run.
I did this. Imagine how lame this day would have been if we weren't running.
Dude, this is gonna be sick.
This is gonna be sick. Catch that view, dude.
Woo! Huh. Yeah!
I've never ran that far in my life.
That was solid. Straight down the mountain.
Oh my god. Holy fuck.
Nice work. Post 3-hour hike in the Donner Lake. That's how we roll here. After running what? 2 miles uphill and then 3 miles back down, fast.